Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is nothing phone one smartphone. In this video, you will know how to check SAR value in nothing phone 1. First of all, go to this call button and type star hash 07 hash and you will see the SAR value. SAR value here is 0.99 watt per kg. See here 0.99 watt per kg for head, for body 1.476 watt per kg. So in this way you can easily check SAR value in your phone, nothing phone 1. So what you have to do is just type star hash 07 hash and SAR values will be displayed. In this way you can easily check SAR values in your phone, nothing phone 1. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.